Hi guys, it's Dan and Becky from
Bugs on the Windshield.
and late last September in 2021 we went out to Eisenhower State Park for the weekend and we had a great time. So stay tuned and we'll show you what we did. Well, one thing we have not ever done, we've been to Eisenhower State Park several times and really enjoyed it, but we've never walked the trail.
Yeah, we know that there was a trail there, and for some reason we're doing other stuff. We were either
Our friends walked it.
They
walked with their
walk the
dogs.
and they would get up in the morning and do that, and but we didn't ever go kayaking, or we would just hang out at the campsite or whatever we were doing.
We're at Eisenhower State Park in Kansas, and I'm gonna go for a little walk. There's our campsite though. We're usually in that side. You know, the empty one there, they said was full online. Maybe, yeah, they'll probably show up later on today, I guess. I don't know. We always make noise with our feet. Hey, are you recording this? Yeah. Show off. Good. Are you recording this?
Yeah, I'm recording this.
Yeah. Show off. I'm gonna stay up here on this
Is
end.
your gimbal working?
I don't have it turned on. I'm just holding it. I think it's probably low on battery. Pretty little wooded area here. A little pathway down to the lake. It looks a little rough for kayaking today. I don't know. We may go over to the outlet and see what it looks like. That must be where they took and put their kayaks in that time. I bet you.
Yeah, I'll walk down there and see.
Okay.
Definitely too rough to kayak today.
Such a pretty day. A little windy and it's going to be hot later on, they said. For October, be in the 90s. We aren't too far away. You can still see our camper there through the trees. Here it comes. Hi, Dan.
Yeah, it's just too steep to put the kayaks in over there.
Oh, really? Yeah, they can do that pretty good, though. They're good at that. They're crazy. We've been out here many times. We've never really walked the trail. Mostly because my body hurts. Oh, I didn't know this was here. Hey, if I see a bench, I gotta settle. Yeah, it's too steep to get to kayak in here. That's dangerous. How do you get out? Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Somebody's got their kayak down there. Look at the bird, hun. Oh, I could come down here and spend some time.
We both had our cameras going here, so we had dueling cameras.
We had a duel with our cameras.
Yeah, the first one that got tired had to put their camera down.
Maybe. I'm gonna stop mine since you're recording.
I'll record for a while my arm's not tired. When my arm gets tired, I'll stop. I think this trail goes all the way around our campground. Different
Hey,
take.
honey,
Different
it
take.
just goes around all the way.
I think it does. What's that? Birdhouse? Hey, honey, does this trail go all around the campground? We're out in the woods. We have no idea where we're at. Hopefully people won't get us.
I don't think we were lost. We could actually still see our camper at this point. Look at that. The bridge.
We're coming in from the side. Path leads up to where all the horses are at. The equestrian. Let me try it again. Equestrian. This is the path that leads up to the equestrian campground. You can see here they have places for horses. There's a lot of horse trailers up this way. We'll see a few horse trailers when we get around the corner. And they have places to put the horses in the racks here. Unfortunately, there's no horses here today. Well, there's some horses, but they're all out, I guess. The lake's pretty low right now, but I bet during the rainy season, there's a lot of water running through here. Into this little bitty lake or pond
Outlet.
over here. So looks like it's down a little bit, but it looks like it could. Doesn't look still a little wet down there, so might have some water coming up into it.
We like to watch a YouTube channel for the Waltwins. I don't know if you guys ever watch them, but they're pretty cool. They have a lot of really cool recipes for the Blackstone. Yeah, and this particular one we watched before and we wanted to try it out.
This is the teriyaki chicken.
Yeah, the Waltwins make a sandwich out of it, but we just put it on our plate.
Yeah, we'll put a link in the description
to their video. Yeah.
That's a pretty good looking meal,
I think so too. Dan had a really good plan after dinner.
I took a walk down to the trail and took some sunset pictures at the shoreline.
Yep, thank goodness we discovered that trail. You can see Dan coming back here. He was busting it out. Yeah. He could not wait to tell me.
Yeah, I came back in a hurry to tell
can't wait to tell me what he saw. Yep. Wait till you see this. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, how fast I'm moving.
He is a walker.
Oh, I can slow down now. I'm tired.
How was it?
That was definitely worth it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I wish you would have told me. We were there in October, and that meant that it got dark earlier than it did in the summertime. So, and it was a really warm night.
Yeah, so everybody was still setting out, and so they had their lights on. And so I got the camera out and started taking some shots of the campground, and it was really pretty cool. And the sky was all lit up. Yeah,
I think the pictures turned out really good. And we didn't want to miss the sunrise either. Let's see. I guess there's two Eisenhower state parks. There's one in Texas and one in Kansas, but the one we go to is closer to us. It's in Kansas. Yeah. We really enjoy that spot.
Yeah, we enjoyed it. It's far enough away that you get away from the town, but it's not like too far where we can't make it in for a weekend or a long weekend.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So anyway, stay tuned for our last camping trip of the season of 2021. We have one more to go, and we had a lot of fun with that one too. So we're looking forward to this year. We can't wait to start sharing some of this with you. We got some new places
we're going. We're going to have some new exciting places that we've never been, and so we'll hopefully get some good video and show that to you and be able to share it with you in the upcoming season.
Yep, we can't wait. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget what Melissa says.
What did she say?
Sometimes you're the windshield, and sometimes you're bugs on the windshield. Be safe out there.
Yeah, that's too much.
It's too much. Too much to say.
Okay.
Too much information. Do you need to know everything? Yes. Oh, no.
Well, that,
say that
I'll do
part.
it. I can do it again. I can do it.
What was that noise? All right, that's it.